Manica, Customs and Borders System. The agenda of this video is to explain the business objectives of Manica's Customs and Borders System, the concept of the Customs and Borders System, and how the Customs and Borders System works. What is CBS? The Customs and Borders System, or the CBS, as we call it, is a customized online order initiation, processing and tracking system. The CBS is a tool that allows real-time collaboration between Manica and its clients, and helps generate critical business reports to manage efficiencies and effectiveness. Why CBS? CBS makes Manica's operational process visible to its clients, exhibiting Manica's core values of honesty and transparency. Manica realizes that the supply chain depends on the speed of response. The CBS was developed to achieve a quick turnaround time and deliver a consistent and a dependable service to its clients, with the no truck sleeps overnight experience. Advantages of CBS. With the quality defined upfront, the CBS is a web-based application that can be accessed from anywhere across the globe, and is highly secure, equipped with a user authentication feature, where no unauthorized users can log into the application. Who will use CBS? The CBS application will extensively be used by the tracking team and the management team of Manica's clients, and the staffs and management of Manica. The workflow of the CBS application begins with an external client initiating an order in the CBS application, followed by Manica's supervisor validating the order and assigning a bill of entry clerk to the order. Then, the BOE clerk carries out the BOE framing process. The supervisor then validates the framed BOE, after which the order is sent through an EDI to customs phase. The order initiation phase. In the order initiation phase, the external client logs into the CBS application, initiates an order and attaches all the documents associated with the order, for further processing. The status of the order will now be set to open. Validation and BOE clerk assignment phase. The supervisor will now process the order initiated by the external client. If any initiated order has been left unattended for more than 15 minutes, the process button across the respective order number in the grid table will turn red in color. In Document Checklist tab, the supervisor checks and validates the documents attached by the client when initiating an order. Once the supervisor finishes processing the Document Checklist tab successfully, the client's order status will be set to Doc Validated Status. As the order passes through various stages of processing, the client will be updated with the respective statuses for the order initiated by them. The supervisor now takes the order through the validation phase. As soon as the supervisor validates the order, the client's dashboard will be updated with a new status across their order. The next step for the supervisor is to assign a BOE clerk to the order, to take the process through a BOE framing phase. Now, the client will be able to see the BOE assigned status across the initiated order. BOE framing phase. The next phase, the BOE framing phase, is carried out by the BOE clerk user. As and when the BOE framing process is completed, an updated status will be displayed in the dashboard of the client's login. BOE validation phase. The next phase, the BOE validation phase, is carried out by supervisor. Similar to the previous stages, the client's dashboard will be updated and displayed with an EDI to custom status across the order. EDI to customs phase. The EDI to customs phase is carried out by the BOE clerk user. The client will be updated with an EDI to customs done status across the respective order in the dashboard.